You will hear a conversation between a parent and a youth center employee about registering for summer activities. You now have 30 seconds to look at questions 1 to 5.
Hi, I'd like some information about registering my child for activities at the youth center. Sure, we are located in the community center, and we have a variety of programs available. Great. Could you tell me the opening hours? Certainly. We are open from 9 in the morning until 6 in the evening. And is there a fee to join? Yes, the joining fee is $30. When does the first activity session start? The first session is scheduled for next Monday. Please ensure your child brings a snack and a towel. It's $30 per session, and classes are held in the upstairs studio, which offers a nice, quiet environment. Apart from the main library area, we also have a community room and a computer lab. Yes, there's a security deposit, which is $500. All applications should be submitted by Friday, preferably. That sounds fascinating. How much will it cost to register? The registration fee is $25. It's quite affordable. What age group is the camp intended for? The camp is designed for children aged 10 to 15 years. That sounds perfect. What is the theme for this year's camp? We are focusing on a space theme this year, which should be really exciting. Which days are the field trips scheduled? All field trips are planned for Fridays. It's a great way to end the week. How do I go about registering? You can register your child online or come in person to the center. And who will be supervising the children? Our trained camp counselors will be supervising all activities. They have great experience and are very enthusiastic. Yes, each participant receives a certificate upon completion. It's a nice recognition of your efforts. How many people can register for the event? We're limiting entries to the first 100 registrations for a more personalized experience.
Finally, what documents will I need to bring to finalize the paperwork?
You'll need to bring your ID and proof of income. Yes, we actually provide a travel allowance, which can cover your commuting costs.
That is the end of part 1. You now have half a minute to check your answers.
Hey there, did you get them all right? Smash the like button and subscribe for more daily IELTS tests.